Hello. So let's say if you have this IdeaPad S145 and pay attention. This model use nano edge display. Okay. So this is the original display. You see this very tiny edge. Okay, so this model it's on Celeron CPU. It use this model of display, which is a HD ready 1366 or 768. Okay, so if you don't have HD ready display like I do, you can put on full HD display. All you have to do, let me display settings. All you have to do is to, you see, full HD. Okay. All you have to do is to reset the BIOS, okay, by taking out main battery, then take out tiny like this one, tiny battery BIOS, take it out, leave it like that, like 1-2 minutes, and then it will detect perfect this full HD display. If you don't reset the BIOS, it will not detect the display, and you're gonna end up with kind of like this situation. So it detects the full HD display like HD ready one, but with that part, okay, but after reset the BIOS, perfect, full HD, okay, and you make a nice upgrade on this kind of low quality notebook. Okay, so kind of that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.